So, we're back. Na-pan fry ko na tong carrot and potatoes natin. Then, now, nagsusutay na ako ng ating karne ng manok with onion garlic. So, we'll wait. Then, we'll add na the tomato. Mix lang. Alam mo, masarap pag maraming fresh tomato. You don't need na tomato sauce. Bihira ako maglagay nun kahit meron sila amo. Kasi maganda yung natural, 'di ba? So feeling ko naman na siya, okay na siya. Nilagay ko na rin yung broth. Then we put na water until it boils, no? So it simmers na, no, nagbo-boil na siya. Add ko na tong potatoes. So, nilagay ko na yung potatoes, carrots naman, no? So, ayan na. Ang ganda ng color, no? Natural color niya yan. I didn't put any tomato paste or sauce. So, add ko na tong, bell pepper. Alam mo, masarap kung maraming bell pepper. Not because you want spicy. Kung hindi, yung bell pepper is anti-inflammatory yan. If you have cough, ganyan. 'Di ba? So, that's it. That's my apritada way. The way I cook it. I know you have a lot of things na alam how to cook apritada. 'Di ba? So, ciao, bye. Ingat kayo palagi.